Okay, the problems that you can see on proportions are many. So we're taking a whole lot of them just to give you a broad experience on solving problems on proportions. Now this problem says Praise uses 2 eggs, a quarter tablespoon of salt, 1/8 tablespoon of black pepper, and half tablespoon of Cajun seasoning to make scrambled eggs for herself. So if she's making it just for herself, one person, one serving, that is what she uses. Now Mr. Chia comes in and asks Grace to make scrambled eggs using 6 eggs. How much of each seasoning will Praise need? Okay, so this is the thing. She had 2 eggs for herself, and those 2 eggs required. How do we go from 2 eggs to 6 eggs? We multiply 2 by 3. So this is how proportions work. So if I get 6 eggs, what I have done is I have multiplied 2 eggs by 3. So to keep the proportion, all the seasonings will multiply by 3. So that I will have times 3, times 3, times 3. Okay? So that's it. 6 eggs will require 1/4 times 3. So when we multiply by a whole number, we put a denominator, which will be 3/4 tablespoon of salt. Okay, so that's what will be required. 1/8 times 3/1, and that will be 3/8 tablespoons of black pepper. Okay, black pepper. This is going to keep it taste the same as she was doing it for one person. And then we have 1/2 times 3/1, which is 3/2 tablespoons of Cajun seasoning. Okay, so that is how Praise can keep the proportion